Hello everyone, we will continue our chapter perimeter and area, and some more problems we will solve today on this topic. Okay, now see, there is a one question. Two plots of land have each of same perimeter. हमारे पास दो plots है land के जिसका perimeter same है. One is a square of side 60 meter while the other is a rectangle whose breadth is 1.5 decameter. See, there are two plots, one is square and one is a rectangle. Both have the same perimeter. दोनों का perimeter same है. Square में side है 60 meter and rectangle one breadth is given to you, length is not given to you, breadth is 1.5 decameter. Which of the plots has greater area and by how much? It means firstly we find out the area of square, then find out the area of rectangle. If it is not visible there, see here, rectangular plot, length we don't know and this is 1.5 decameter. What we will do in this, firstly find out the perimeter of square, then it is equal to perimeter of rectangle. After comparing, firstly find out the length of the rectangle. Then after finding the length of the rectangle, we can find out the area of rectangle and area of square, then after comparing. So what we will do in it? Okay, one more unit here, 1.5 dm, that is decameter, is equal to, 1 decameter is equal to 10 meter. So we will convert into meter, we will use it. Now see, two plots land have same perimeter, then side of a square is equal to 60 meter, perimeter of square four multiplied by side, that is 4 into 60 is equal to 240 meter. And it is given to you that perimeter of square is equal to perimeter of rectangle, that both plot have same perimeter. It means 240 is equal to perimeter of rectangle twice of length plus breadth. Length we don't know, breadth 1.5 dm. So we can say 1.5 into 10 is equal to 15 meter. Now solve it. 240 divided by 2 is equal to L plus 15. 120 is equal to L plus 15. 120 minus 15 is equal to L, that is 10 minus 5, 5. 1 minus 1, 0. 105 meter. So length of rectangle is equal to 105 meter. Now we need the area, we want to compare the area of plots. So find out firstly area of square. Area of square is equal to side multiplied by side, 3600 meter square. Area of rectangular plot, square plot is equal to this, rectangular plot is equal to length multiplied by breadth. Length is equal to 105, breadth is equal to 15. 15 5s are 75, 15 1s are 15. That is equal to 1575 meter square. Now question is, which of the plots has greater area and by how much? So which one is greater? area of square or area of rectangular? If you see properly, then area of square is greater. So we can say that area of square plot is greater than area of rectangular plot. By how much? What we will do? We will do 3600 minus 1575, 10 minus 5, 5, 9 minus 7, 2, 0, 3 minus 1. It means by 2025 meter square. This time we will solve this question. What we will done in this? That two plots land have the same perimeter. Two plots है जिसमें एक square plot and second one is a rectangular plot. Both have the same perimeter. It means we can do compare the perimeter of these two. Perimeter of square is equal to 4 multiplied by side and perimeter of rectangle is equal to twice of length plus breadth. Here length term is missing. So firstly we find out the length of the rectangle. Then after we can easily find out area of square plot, then area of rectangle, and we can do compare it by subtracting. Then we can say easily that area of square plot is greater than the area of rectangular plot by 2025 meter square. So this time we will solve this question. Okay, next question now see. A rectangular courtyard is a rectangular courtyard is 3 meter 78 centimeter, 3 meter 78 centimeter long and 5 meter 25 centimeter broad. It is desired to pave it. It is desired to pave it with square tiles of the same size. With square tiles of same size. What is the largest size of the tile? What is the largest size of tile that can be used? That can be used. Also find the number of such tiles. Also find the number of such tiles. See here, a rectangular courtyard is 3 meter 78 centimeter. एक rectangular court है, length 3 meter 78 centimeter, breadth 5 meter 25 centimeter. It is desired to pave it with square tiles of the same size. Means इसके ऊपर square tiles लगानी है same size की. What is the largest side of tile that can be used? Also find the number of such tiles. इसने कहा है कि हम इसके अंदर ऐसी कौन सी टाइल्स लगा सकते, किस साइज की टाइल्स हमें लगानी चाहिए जो कि इसको कम्प्लीटली कवर कर ले, और लार्जेस्ट साइज उस टाइल का क्या हो सकता है. How can we find out largest side? Whenever we find out the largest value of the two values, it means we have to find out the highest common factor, that is the HCF of the two given values. Firstly, find out the area of this one tiles this one courtyard. Then after find out the area of tiles, then number of tiles we can find out easily. That same formula we will use, that area of courtyard divided by area of each tile. Here should be the square tiles. Square tiles, it means we will side of both, this one x and this also should be x. So how to find out? We can say length of the courtyard length of the courtyard 3 meter 78 centimeter. So you can change into the 70 meter, that is 378, because in 3 meter 307 meter, and when you add it, it becomes 378 centimeter. Breadth of courtyard similarly 525 centimeter. Now area of the courtyard is equal to 378 multiplied by 525 centimeter square. How to find out the largest size? For finding the largest size of the tile, for finding the largest size of the tile, which we can use in this, find SCF of 378 and 525. How to find out the SCF? You can find out by the long division method. 378 525. One time 15 minus 8 7, 11 minus 7 4, 4 minus 3 1. Again see 15 minus 8 7, 11 minus 7 4, 4 minus 3 this. I think 2 times it will goes, 2 sevens are 14, 2 14s are 28 or 1 29. 8 minus 4 4, 7 17 minus 9 8, 2 minus 2 0. 84 2s are not 1, 7 minus 4 3, 14 minus 8 6, again 1, 4 minus 3 1, this. It means what is the SCF of this? 21. Then SCF of this is equal to 21 centimeter. It means tile side, this is a square tile, it means side of a tile is equal to 21 centimeter. Then area of tile is equal to 21 into 21 centimeter square. In the last, also find the number of such tiles. Number of tiles, how to find out? Number of tiles is equal to area of courtyard, जहाँ हमें उन टाइल्स को यूज करना है, डिवाइड बाय एरिया ऑफ ईच टाइल, that is equal to area of courtyard, that is 378 multiplied by 525 divided by 21 into 21. It will goes 21 when you cut it, 21 ones are 21, remaining is 6 1 6 8, then 18. This one 21 2s are 42, 105 5, 18 5s are 90, 18 2s are 36, 36 or 9 45. It means how many number of tiles we can put in the courtyard of size 21 centimeter, that is 450 tiles we can use in the courtyard. Okay, the last question. find the area of the shaded part. Shaded part का how to find out the area of shaded part? There is figure given to you and dimension given to you 6 meter, 7 meter, B part 4 meter, 3 meter. Then how to find out the area of the given figure? इस figure का area कैसे find out करते हैं? We will divide into the parts. There are two parts. First part A, second part B. Then firstly find out the area of part A, then find out area of part B, then after add it. This is the rectangular shape, then area of part A is equal to 42 meter square. Area of part B is equal to 3 into 4, 12 meter square. Then area of given figure is equal to 42 plus 12, that is 54 meter square. Similarly, suppose this type of figure is given to you. One rectangular field is given to you. This is 40 centimeter and 25 centimeter. There is inside a path. Each path is wide 2 centimeter. This is ABCD and this one PQRS. Your question is find the area of the shaded region. How to find out the area of shaded region? Firstly, we find out area of shaded region is equal to area of rectangular ABCD minus area of PQRS. कि जो हमारा आउटर साइड में रेक्टेंगल है ABCD, फर्स्टली वी फाइंड आउट द एरिया ऑफ ABCD, उसमें से अगर माइनस कर दिया जाए एरिया ऑफ PQRS, देन वी कैन फाइंड आउट द एरिया ऑफ शेडेड रीजन. देन एरिया ऑफ शेडेड रीजन, एरिया ऑफ ABCD सिंपली 40 सेंटीमीटर इंटू 25 centimeter, that is area of ABCD rectangle 40 centimeter multiplied by 25 centimeter, that is 1000 centimeter square. Now see for the area of PQRS, firstly we find out the value of PQ. What is the length of PQ? PQ is equal to, see this complete length is 40 centimeter. Now this one part 2 centimeter, this also 2 centimeter. Then what is the length PQ? 40 minus 4 is equal to 36 centimeter. Similarly see QR. QR also, this one gap 2 centimeter, this one also 2 centimeter. It means in this 25 minus 4 is equal to 21 centimeter. Then area of PQRS is equal to 36 multiplied by 21, that is equal to 21 6 जा 6 1 जा 6 6 2 जा 12 carry 21 3 जा 63 plus 12 766 centimeter square. Shaded, we need the shaded region area. So what we will do? 1000 minus 756 centimeter square is equal to 10 minus 6 4, 9 minus 5 4, 9 minus 7 2. Answer is 244 centimeter square. So this time we will find out the area of shaded region. One more question of your exercise. one figure is given to you. This is 12 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 5, 6, 3 centimeter. Okay, see how to find out the area of this given figure. What we will do, we will convert into the parts. This one 6, suppose I divide into this figure A, then it is a rectangle. Now this 6 and this also 6, remaining this one also 6 centimeter and this one 6 because it is a rectangle. So we have length and breadth 6 centimeter length, 3 centimeter breadth, then we can find out the area of A. Now see this one. I divide this figure into this 6 given to you, this 3 centimeter, then this also 3 centimeter. So length becomes 6 centimeter, breadth becomes 5 plus 3, 8 centimeter. We can find out the area of figure B. Now in the C there is already length and breadth given to you. So what is the area of figure A? Area of figure A is equal to 6 multiplied by 3, that is the 18 centimeter square. Area of figure B, 6 multiplied by 5 plus 3, 6 multiplied by 8, that is equal to 48 centimeter square. Area of figure C, 6 into 3 again, that is equal to 18 centimeter square. Then area of the given figure, area of given figure is equal to 18 plus 48 plus 18 centimeter square, that is 8 3s are 24, 4 1 5, 6 or 2 8, 84 centimeter square. So students, now your exercise 15 complete. You can do complete your 15 chapter in your notebook. If you have any problem, then tell me. Okay student, thank you.